Hi, I am Kishore Kumar calling from India, the Indian human rights portal. Our company since 1919, 100 years company. Is my father T.S. Arunachalam. T.S. Arunachalam is yes paid. This one curly hair, deep curly hair, the machine Weft. You want this type? I give to you. It's a ready stock. This is 16 inches is ready stock. This is air closer. It's a very nice picture. Everything real humor, Remy virgin here. I show you everything Remy virgin here. Best quality human hair product only. I show you. Our company since 1919. This is deep curly hair. This is Remy here. Machine Weft. This is 20 inches. So one packet is 100 gram. One packet 100 gram. 10 packet is 1 kilo. It's 1 kilo. This is 18 inches. This 18 inches. Maybe this is a 5 kilo ready stock. This one. This is 20 inches. Maybe I think that 10 kilo is ready stock. It's a deep curly hair. This is frontal this one. Very nice product. Everything is Remy, natural Remy hair. No second quality. Everything the first quality only. This is closer. This is frontal. This is 36-inch natural Remy wavy hair. This is natural wavy hair. 36-inch length. This is 26-inch, 24-inch, 20 inches, 16 inches. Let's check quality. Everything is Remy here. This is 40 inches silky straight here. 40 inches. Natural black. If you want color, I give to you. This is bleached color. It's a brown, another brown, golden blonde. This is 24 colors. 613 there. Every machine Weft. One packet under gram. This is one packet under gram. 10 packet 1 kilo. This is under gram. This one. Under gram. 10 packet is 1 kilo. Which type of color you want? You tell me size, color, structure. Our company make. I give to you. No problem. You send me mail order or WhatsApp order also. I take it WhatsApp order also. Our company make the men wig and ladies wigs. Everything's own manufacture. Off lace wig, full lace wig there available. The clip-on hair extensions. Clip-in hair. This one 360-degree lace wig. 360-degree lace wig. You look the quality, very nice. Please check everything real human hair, Remy quality, virgin quality human hair. That is very important. Very important. This is very best quality here. This is the same product. 360-degree lace wig. You look the front side. Or come and make very best lace. Very best lace, very best here also. .360-degree lace wig, this products. You look the quality hair, very nice, real human hair, Remy quality, that is very important. Remy quality. You look the quality. I have ready stock. Maybe you'll put money today, same day I give you courier. Maybe morning you put money, today evening, same day evening I send you courier. Please check the quality first. Please look the human hair. Is virgin hair, Remy hair. That is very very important. Very very important. This is not Chinese hair, not critical hair, not shade of hair. No process hair. This is Remy temple hair. Everything is temple hair. That is very very important. Very very important. This one. That is very important. Look the quality, please. Okay. This one 360-degree. This is my product. This I think the sample product only. The video purpose only I will make. I have all size. You want 4 inch to 40 inches I give to you. 4 to 40 inches. Right now I show you 16, 20, 24, 26, 36, the 40 inches. 40 inches is straight here. This is straight here. 40 inches is straight here. 36 inches natural wavy here. 36 is a natural wavy here. Check the quality. I hope to very good relationship. This is closer. It's a front end. You want bleached color? I give to you. This one my address, my mail ID info@humanhairsupermarket.com. My mobile number 94444 7566. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.